everyone, this is Salsa with Sylvia. We are going through our syllabus, our salsa syllabus, and today we're doing intermediate level 2, week 3. We're going to talk about something very important. In our series, they're usually 4 weeks long, so this is kind of towards the end of the series of the last level. And today we're talking about double turns. And we're going to show you the footwork for double turns. And today we're going to just talk about double turns for the follower. So how you lead that and how the follower goes into and executes a double turn. So let me first talk about the footwork for the double turn, for the follower. All right, so followers, your footwork for the double turn, and again, it's very, very important to spot when you do that. That comes with practice. It's not going to happen overnight. So you have to drill, practice, practice, practice. So when you do a double turn, you have to spot something in front of you. When you're dancing with a partner, you're spotting your partner. Now, different instructors will teach that differently. Usually, what you spot is kind of like right here where you're looking at when your partner is standing right in front of you. So in this case, I'm going to spot the camera. So I step in place, I lock my legs basically, and I push off the left, and as I turn, I leave my head behind, I turn, and I do it again, and I turn. Now, when you first start practicing your double turns, you may want to start with a single turn and start from here, go back to your spot. Eventually, you're going to be able to do a double turn without touching the floor. But when you're starting your double turn, you could anchor, so you're going to go touch and touch. So keep practicing. The first thing you want to practice is your spotting. So you step in place, lock. From here you push off your left, and you turn to your right, and you spot and you spot. So again, this takes practice. So you're going to have to drill. Let's look at that and how it works with a partner. With a partner, it's actually easier, although the more you practice your double turn on your own, the easier it is for you to do it with your partner. So to lead this, you're going to do what we call a Zorro move. So usually, and again, different teachers can teach that differently, but you're going to prep her to go to her right, and then she's going to go to her left, and from here you lead a double turn. Followers, you always want to put your left hand in front of you, just not hanging down here as you're turning. So as I'm turning, I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. I'm spotting and I'm turning, and the way he's turning is with these 2 fingers. So remember, we never grab, we never squeeze the thumbs. So you have to be very flexible. So I'm holding with my 2 fingers. He's holding me the same way, and we turn. So what we're going to practice is a pattern that will put us into a drop catch, followed by a double turn, followed by a Titanic. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Forward 2, 3. Windmill 7. 1, 2, 3, double turn from here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Offer the hand and go into a Titanic. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's your practice pattern for today. Let's look at it with music. All right, let's practice everything together. 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. Drop catch. Basic step, double turn. Offer the hand and go into Titanic. And here we go, one more time. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. We just completed Intermediate Level 2, Week 3. For more information about our classes, visit our website, salsawithsilvia.com. This is Mario, I'm Sylvia, and we'll see you next time.